students, welcome to Shri Sit Vidyapith School. I hope you all doing good and staying safe from this COVID-19. So students, today we are gonna discuss the question and answers of the chapter A Clean India, a Campaign of Promise. In this chapter, in the last video, we read that about the cleanliness and the hygiene, how to keep our surroundings and our city clean and hygiene. It's a letter form chapter. Anju wrote to his friend Alexandra, who lives in Germany, and she described her about the Gandhi Jayanti on the day we celebrate Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So let's discuss the question and answers. Reading comprehension. On page number 46. Correct these sentences. I request you all to do it yourself. I have given the solutions. We will move on to next one. Answer these questions. What is the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is the Clean India mission. It was launched by the government on the eve of Gandhi Jayanti in 2014 to release the dream Gandhiji had of a clean India. What was Gandhiji's ideology about cleanliness? Gandhi said that cleanliness and hygiene was of utmost importance and that people should keep their homes and cities clean. How do you know that the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a big cleanliness drive? The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a big cleanliness drive because almost 3 million government employees and school and college students participated in the event. People come together to clean their neighborhoods and cities and to transform India into a clean and disease-free nation. Next. Fourth one. How does Anju participate in this drive? Anju participates in this drive by cleaning the locality with other residents of the area every Sunday. When did the RWA realize the importance of clean surroundings? The RWA realized the importance of clean surroundings when all the workers of the city went on a strike. There were dumps of garbage and litter everywhere, which not only looked horrible but were also a warning of the disease that could affect them. How have the different states benefited from the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? The residents of 7 villages in Rajasthan, Chittorgarh, Bhilwara and Udaipur now have individual toilets in their homes. The river banks in Chauras in Madhya Pradesh were cleaned by the villagers and they now have clean drinking water. Garbage has been removed and toilets have been built there. A waste management plan has implemented by the villagers in Puhgal in Thrissur. Waste bins and biogas plants were set up. This village is a role model in Kerala for its solid waste management. Next one. Think and answer. Why do you think people care to keep their homes clean but litter the streets? I think people care to keep their homes clean but litter the streets because they do not feel a sense of responsibility towards the neighborhood, city or the environment. They do not feel a part of the country or the city. They have no sense of involvement at all. So students, here are the solutions of the chapter Clean India, a Campaign of Promise. I kindly request you all to note it down in your class note copy. Read it, learn it, by heart it. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I am going to clear it in the next video.